Here's how to add members in ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp account, and after that go to space, list, folder, wherever you want to add members. I'm going to add member to my space list. Just click on this three dot option, and here click to sharing and permissions, and here just type the email over here. Type the email and clicking on invite. You can also change the permission to edit, comment, view only. You can make them limited member, guest, admin. I'm going to with limited member and permission to comment. And after that, just click on send invite. And as simple as that. After that, they will be added as members and ClickUp. You can also change add members to your task. Just click on the task, go to assignee, type their email over here, and after that just click on invite, and you will be good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.